सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो क्या आपको मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? अगर आ रही हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में यस लिख के जरूर लिखेंगे। ओके, सो as already you have seen that the today we are going to start a new chapter that is about the in the limits and we will see about its indeterminate form and at what conditions the limit will be exist, the existence of the limits. Okay, so I am sharing the screen now. So कितने बच्चे ज्वाइन हो चुके हैं? You can see my screen. Hmm. So here I'm going to start the limit chapter. Limit. So why the concept of the limit has been derived, means why we use the limit concepts in the calculus part. So actually we use the limit concepts for finding the continuity of a functions. So generally we have seen in the for drawing the graph of the functions, sometimes its graph has been not the continuous, or it is not the differentiable at some of the points, but at the sum of the points. For finding the continuity and differentiability, we use the concept of the limit. Means limit is a concept where we can find its neighborhood value. Means a functions can be not be defined at a particular value, but it can be defined at its neighborhood value. Neighborhood value means अगल बगल की वैल्यू पे वो फंक्शंस डिफाइंड होंगे, but at exact point its value will be not defined. So we are starting from the definitions. So what is the definitions of the limit? The limit definitions is if a function y is equal to fx is defined at neighborhood of neighbor neighborhood of x is equal to a value. Means what is the mean of this one? Means at the point of LHL, it is called left hand limit. Left hand limit. Okay. So let me check my screen. It is working properly. Huh. So here we are discussing the concept of the limit. So in that case, it is the limit. It is called left hand limit. Left hand limit means it is denoted by limit x tends to for LHL it is a minus and f of x, and RHL, at the RHL it will define right hand limit. A right hand limit. It is denoted by limit x tends to a plus f of x. Okay. So existence of a limit can be existence of a limit when LHL will be equal to RHL, and RHL will be equal to limit x tends to at a value or f of x. So we will see some questions. If the limit will be given, limit x tends to 2, and the function's value is given x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. So you can see if we substitute the value, substituting the value, substitute x is equal to 2 in the functions, so it will give the function's value in the form of 0 by 0 form. 2 square, it is 4 minus